Right then, so we're on Holland America Oosterdam, or Oosterdam.
Come on.
I can't say it. And we're staying in cabin 4049 in a balcony cabin. And we've been here for a week, haven't we? It's our last day.
It is, and I have to say it's quite disappointingly small.
No, that's a little privacy curtain, but we'll take you through there in a moment if you just let that door go. So let's start with storage. And if you can see here, right by the door, you've got a large wardrobe with shelves down the bottom, shelf at the top that's got your life jackets in. The next wardrobe is also a really, really big size.
We need to swap because you won't be able to get to see that.
Oh.
See that?
So let's have a look. And you can see it's a full length. I've just kept all my dresses and stuff in there. And then you've got this one here. I'll have to let some light in because it's and you've got a safe, which is a decent size. It's not deep enough really to get a laptop in, is it? But it's a decent size to put all your personal belongings. And here you can see you get provided with beach towels and blankets and also dressing gowns, which we haven't used, have we, this time? But again, more storage. So that's been really good. Now let's take you into the bathroom. Now Paul's going to demonstrate something now that we really love about bathroom doors on cruise ships, if it does it. Exactly. So it opens right up so that you've got easy access into the bathroom. And in here you can see it's absolutely been a decent sized space. Totally. And you've got a bath and a tub, as some people call it, with the shower over the top there. Paul's going to demonstrate. Because we get funny about toilets, yeah. So if you sit on the toilet, you can see that your legs aren't touching anything, which is brilliant. The toilet roll, however, is not strategically placed because you've got to twist around. So we've just been keeping one on the end of the bath there. But it's been absolutely fine, hasn't it? And plenty of room.
It's been great. It's also got the non-slip mat there, so if you're showering, throw that in.
Yeah.
The other way up. No slippy slip. It's a nice powerful shower. It took us 3 days to work out how to turn the temperature up and down, but now we know how to do that.
Yeah, it's fine.
We've got a line up there
for your washing. And Elemis products, which I've been so happy about, and they've been lovely. And then
even I have been enjoying the Elemis
yes.
products. I have to say it's lovely, and it's not just obviously reserved for the shower area. You've got your soap and your lotion.
Yes.
For when you wash your dannies as well.
And if you open that cupboard there, Paul, you've got some more storage here next to the shaver point, which has been great. So we've had plenty of storage in this cabin, and you've got more storage under the bottom there.
I noticed there's a razor up there.
I know, maybe you need to have a shave. Just saying. Right, then you go into the main part of the cabin, and look, it's a really decent size. We haven't been sort of having to shuffle around each other, have we, very much? It's been really, really good. The bed's been extra comfortable, hasn't it?
Fabulous.
Absolutely. And either side you can see you've got two little drawers, and you've got a USB, which is always lovely. You've also got behind the pillow there, if I can just show you, you've got your light switches so that you can sort those, turn all the lights off when you're in bed rather than getting out. TV wise, do you want to...
What I will say about the TV, it does take about 5 minutes to come on.
Yeah.
But it's got, obviously, as you can see there's ship's location, and then if you go back across to where you once began.
The most important thing to do on our TV, which we think, is to check your account daily, so you can access that. You can also look at the entertainment, the restaurants. It's got lots of stuff on there, hasn't it, Paulie? Yeah,
So always keep an eye on your account.
Yes, and you can see they just select the name, and then it goes into...
And then you just choose one of those and it will tell you.
Exactly.
Don't be doing it on the last morning.
No.
Because if there's loads of who-has on there...
There's been a couple of discrepancies on ours, but nothing...
Next to nothing which was easily sorted. But it won't be easily sorted if you leave it to the last morning.
Yeah.
And there's 700 people at reception.
Yeah.
So keep an eye on it, just once a day, just flick on there and think, that
yeah.
works. You know,
and guest relations have been lovely, haven't they?
Yeah.
In fact, the whole staff around the ship have been lovely. Can't fault a thing. So over here we go, and you've got a little desk area, which has got another additional cupboard here, which has got a hairdryer, and it's also got a shaving mirror in, as you can see there, and you've got some glasses. More electric points. You've got two USBs, you've got Euro round pin, you've got flat USA, so there's been no shortage of sockets, and you've got more under there. As you can see, we've got lots of stuff to charge up. And also on Holland America is a complimentary breakfast that you can have delivered to your room, which we've done once, and it was great. Delivered on time, and you can see it there. More space here. There is a mini bar, but it is chargeable, so be just aware of that. And you've also got a fridge down here, which is all chargeable, but these bottles of water, these cans of water are available on the package, so that's always nice. We still haven't drank our bubbles, Paulie.
No.
I'll have to take them home and enjoy them then. So over this side you've got a little sofa, you've got a table that's adjustable, so it can go up and down. And you've also got a little stool here, we've had Wahoo and Pony. So it's a bit funny saying it, but that's I'll show you here. Our room has been serviced by Wahoo and Pony, and they've just been a joy. Not only have they looked after us very well, Paulie, have they, but they're so much fun.
Fabulous. Always got a massive smile on their face. Cannot fault it, and they make excellent stuff.
Yes, and we've had tail animals nearly every day, haven't we? So that's been fabulous.
But what you also get is this extra storage.
Don't hurt the elephant.
Disturb Nelly.
Exactly. So then there you get some extra storage. And also above the settee, oh well done, Paulie, we preserved the elephant.
Perverted the elephant.
Preserved. You've got 2 more cupboards here. So storage has been absolutely magnificent. And in this stateroom, you get a little bit of bigger balcony, don't you?
Yes.
Because it juts out a little bit. So remember the cabin number 4049. And you'll see from the floor space here how big it is. So that's been great. We've got 2 loungers, 2 chairs with footstools that are looking a little bit tired. But you've got a lovely view of Kusadasi.
But I do have to say that you won't always get a lovely view of Kusadasi.
No.
Only if you're in Kusadasi.
Exactly. So there we are. So that's a look round our cabin on Oosterdam.
Holland America Oosterdam, cabin number 4049.
Yes. We've been very happy here, haven't we?
And if you want to see some more cabin reviews, you can check them out next.